How to add Cash App to Apple Pay. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add Cash App to Apple Pay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Cash App. After you open up your Cash App, head over to your second section that is on the bottom here. So when you are on the Cash Card section, there you will see an option that says Add Card to Apple Pay. Now, before we move on with the next step, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Again, let's continue. Tap on Add Card to Apple Pay. After you tap on it, your wallet will open up, that is your Apple Wallet, where you will be able to add your card. Now, the details will automatically be added there, so you can just wait and just tap on Next on the top right. Then the process will automatically begin and terms and conditions will pop up. Tap on the agree button on the bottom right and then your card will get added to your wallet. And it's basically that simple, and that's how you can add Cash App to Apple Pay. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.